आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
Process. It is not a sprint, but a marathon. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in a Hobbesian world, a world marked by anarchy, change, and constant flux in the political and strategic permutations. Unilateralism, nationalism, xenophobia, and populism are on the rise and creating uncertainties not witnessed on the global scene for decades. The multilateral arrangements built after the Second World War seem to be under assault by powerful forces. Technology has transformed the way we humans had been living for millennia. The rate and speed of change is the constant that we have to contend with all the time. The center of gravity of global economic power is shifting from the west to the east. Some pundits have been arguing that we are at a stage of history where we will have to face conflict between a rising power and an established power. And I don't have to dilate further on that. Major power rivalries, regional tensions, protracted unresolved disputes, and hegemonic ambitions illustrate the state of play in our own region. On the positive side, ours is also a region with tremendous potential for development and regional connectivity. It is in such a daunting environment that Pakistan's foreign policy priorities are defined and effective solutions crafted.